What's up, my dudes, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're gonna check out some of those awesome 2-packs that have been dropping at Targets recently. I was lucky enough to find the 2 that I wanted, and I am super stoked. I mean, super stoked. We're gonna jump right into the video because I just can't wait to open these up. We're gonna start with this awesome 83 square body and 91 cyclone. As you can see, I got all my other square bodies and cyclones on the screen because I just love these castings so much. Absolutely love this stuff. Fantastic. There's a look at the front of the card. I am really wanting to buy one of these in real life. I want that to be my next project. I'm up in the air between getting another truck like I have, an 88 1500, or one of these, or a new Camaro SS. I'm up in the air. Those are the 3 vehicles that I really want. But anyway, for now, let's go ahead and crack open these awesome trucks. And wow. Let's check out the Cyclone first. There we go. Bring some more light over here. And wow. Look at those wheels. Those rims are amazing. Beautiful rubber tires, flat black metal base, which is upside down. There we go. Borla exhaust tampos, and check out those headlights. Oh my goodness. You guys know I love GMCs. You guys know how much I dig this vehicle. This is so cool. Beautiful black and red. It's got a tonneau cover, red interior. No side view mirrors on this casting. Oh, that looks so nice. So dope. Wow. That is a cool truck. And of course, it's Hot Wheels, so it rolls beautifully. Absolutely bonkers. That one is fantastic. It's gonna go, no, you know what? It's gonna go right there. And now for this amazing square body. Nice and hefty. Beautiful Cragger rims, nice tread on the rubber tires. This metal base is just bare metal, which is pretty cool. Tubbed, oh, that's so sick. Wow, that is awesome. Beautiful black and red, just like the Cyclone. Got some race seats in there, in the red interior, windows rolled up. Cyclone had windows rolled down. Amazing blacked out grille and those stacked headlights. Metal bumper. Absolutely nuts. Oh, it's got the twice pipes. Sick. Awesome. Yeah, definitely one of the gems in my collection. I absolutely love this truck. I'm super stoked to have this. All right, but that's not it though. We have another 2-pack that we're going to crack open right now. As you can see, I now have all of my Skyline R32s on the screen, and that should tell you that I was able to find this amazing 2-pack of Skyline R32s. Absolutely brilliant. Look at how amazing. Yeah, these are super cool. Let's take a look at the back. Yeah, they did have the Benz one there too, but you know, you can't have everything. I got the 2 that I really wanted. All right, let's go ahead and get to cracking. And here they are, these beautiful R32s. Let's take a look at the red one first. I'm honestly really curious about this one. Oh my goodness, let's get a little bit more light. And let's marvel at this beautiful R32. Amazing 5-spoke wheels. Oh, I love that the base is colored the same as the body. Check out those headlights. Completely amazing. Absolutely bonkers. Oh, what do we have there? Look at the inside on the windshield. Wow, cool. That's so sick. I love that this casting has side view mirrors. Taillights look fantastic. Skyline is stamped into the metal. And this might be one of the most awesome Hot Wheels in my collection. Wow. So sick. All right, let's put that one right there for now. Now let's take a look at this amazing HKS R32. Got the exotic 5 spokes. Almost looks like they might glow in the dark. Powered by HKS. HKS Super Oil. Also known for their amazing turbo kits. Advan on the back. Fantastic. They really outdid themselves this time. Flat black metal base. And wow, I am so stoked right now. Look at these beautiful, beautiful cars. Wow. All right, you guys, that was the whole video. That's all I've got to crack open today. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, do me a favor and hit the like button for me. And if you're new to my channel, my name's J-Dog and I post diecast videos all the time. And if you collect like I do, please subscribe to the channel and I will catch you dudes next time.